Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today's bag of the day is this vintage Coach pocket purse, style number 9755. And I would estimate this bag was likely made sometime in the early 90s based on the serial number inside. And it was made in the United States. And it's in this beautiful dark navy color. So this is a great little clutch bag that can also be worn as a shoulder or even crossbody bag. So here is the detachable strap. So you would attach the strap like so, and then it gives you the two options that way of how to carry the bag. And it also comes with the matching hang tag. This is a two-sided hang tag. So I'll go ahead and show you more of the bag now. So here's the front again, obviously. Here's what the sides look like. Like I mentioned before, the shoulder strap attaches here to these hardware pieces called D-rings. And then here's the back of the bag. And it's got this back slip pocket here, as you can see, and then the bag has a couple other pockets on the inside as well. So it's got another slip pocket here under the front flap, and then it's also got a slip pocket here along the back of the bag. So it's got three pockets, this one in front here, this back pocket, and then this exterior back pocket. So I would guess that's probably why it was named the pocket purse, because it had those pockets. And then of course, here's the Coach Creed as well, so you can see that the bag is authentic. And here's a close-up photo just so you can see it better than it'll pick up on video camera. So that is the pocket purse, and if you are interested in this bag, I will link it below in our online shop so you can check it out if you like. And we do have several other pocket purses in various colors right now in the store, so you could check that out below in the description box if you're interested. But otherwise, thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed taking a little tour of this bag, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.